Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Iksan Fardias. Today I will review the journal Index-Based Scopus. So let's go straight to the video. The first journal is Unemployment Impact of Network Sector and Employment Protection Legislation Reforms Evidence from Selected African Countries. The background of each study. This research is motivated by the need for effective structural reforms to address poverty in Africa. Especially, this study examines the impact of employment protection legislation (EPL) reforms and reforms to network sector such as telecommunications and electricity in selected African countries between 1990 and 2014. This research objective, the main objective of this study is examines the dynamic effects of EPL reforms and network sector reforms on the unemployment rates. Furthermore, the study aims to identify whether the two types of reforms are complementary and to determine the transmission channel underlying these impacts. The methodology. This study used the experimental approach. The primary method used is local cooperation combined with the augmented inverse probability weighting. To ensure robust results, the research also applied the entropy balancing technique. The main finding: the first, network sector and EPL reform significantly contribute to the decline in the employment rates. Second, the unemployment reducing effects of the two reforms were found to be complementary. And third, these reforms operate through several channels, including increased dynamic sector and foreign direct investment, increased short-term total factor production, and reduced informality. Fourth, the positive impacts were particularly felt by men and young workers. The conclusion: the study concludes that structural reforms in the EPL and network sector are effective tools for reducing unemployment in Africa. In addition to lowering unemployment rates, these reforms also have a positive impact on other labor market indicators, such as increased employment and labor force participation. The second journal is Export Agriculture and Rural Poverty Evidence from Indonesian's Palm Oil. The background of each study. This research is driven by the long-standing questions of whether the expansion of agriculture exports, particularly large-scale plantations, helps or harms the poor in developing countries. In Indonesia, the palm oil sector has experienced massive expansion fourfold since 2000, driven by democracies and decentralizations following the fall of the Suharto regime. Although often cited for its environmental impacts, the industry actual impact of property and fourfold fell being at the local never record robust empirical evidence. The research objective. The main objective of this study is to measure impact of Indonesian palm oil export expansion on poverty levels at the district regency level and household expenditure during the period 2002 and 2015. Furthermore, the study aims to identify the transmission channel of this impact such as labor market and public goods and measure the negative consequence of trades-off on the environmental, health, and social conflict. The methodology. This study employ a quasi-experimental approach which allow different instrumental variable framework. The research used the geographic variance in agroclimate sustainability for oil palm as an instrument to address endogeneity issue. The study sample include 1,003 rural district outside Java and urban area. The main finding: the first, poverty reduced. A 10 percentage point increase in oil palm plantations area in a district is correlated with 6.0 percentage point faster reduction in poverty rates and 9% faster growth in household expenditure. The second, labor market mechanism. Economic gains are primarily driven by increased returns to agriculture labor. Third, public investment. Local government revenues increase, which are allocated to public infrastructure such as household electrical, markets, school, and health clinics. The fourth, negative impacts. This expansion also leads to increased forest cover loss, forest fires, health problem, and social conflict over land. The conclusion: this study concludes that oil palm expansions in Indonesia has significantly reduced rural poverty through labor market mechanism and public investment. This refers that view that export agriculture is merely an economic enclave that do not benefit local residents. However, this economic success comes with seriously environmental and social trade-off that must be addressed by policymakers. So, this is my video. Thank you.